Hey guys, welcome back to the Nextechus. Today we're talking about Motorola's brand new Moto G06 Power, the budget phone that's packing some serious power for 2025. If you're in the US and looking for a phone under budget that doesn't feel cheap, this one might surprise you. Right out of the box, the Moto G06 Power comes with a 6.6-inch HD Plus display. It's not flagship level, but with a 90 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through apps, TikTok, and Instagram feels buttery smooth. The design is clean, lightweight, and Motorola kept that water repellent coating, which is always a win for budget phones. Now, here's where the power in the name really shows up. The G06 Power is rocking a massive 6,000 mAh battery, easily giving you up to 2 days of usage on a single charge. Inside, you get a MediaTek Helio G85 chip with up to 6 GB RAM, which means it can handle everyday tasks, light gaming, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. For photos, you're getting a 50-megapixel main camera that actually does a solid job in daylight, plus a depth sensor for portrait shots. Selfie lovers get an 8-megapixel front camera, and honestly, for the price point, this is more than good enough for socials, video calls, and casual shots. And the best part? The Moto G06 Power is expected to launch in the US for around $199. That's insane value for a phone with a huge battery, smooth display, and reliable performance. So if you're on a budget and want a phone that lasts, the Moto G06 Power should definitely be on your radar. What do you guys think? Is this the best budget phone of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos.